Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and recover your Peacock TV application. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial. Let's just say you forgot your password, or basically your account got hacked and now you want to recover your Peacock TV account. So in order for you to go ahead and do that, you want to simply go ahead and open your Peacock TV application. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the sign in button on the top right. And now on this page right over here, below password tab, you want to tap on forgot password. So now they'll tell you to enter your email, so go ahead and do that. And now simply tap on send. Finally, once you have done that, you'll have to go ahead and open your Gmail, so go ahead and open that. So as you can see on my email, Peacock TV has sent a reset your password email. So what you do after this is simply tap on the reset password right over here, and what it will do is it's gonna bring you to a tab which is gonna ask you for your new password. And finally, once you enter your new password, your password will be changed successfully. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.